This company is one of the top 5 franchises in India, and these two entrepreneurs are the masterminds behind it.
जहाँ पे जैसी रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है हम वहाँ वो प्रोडक्ट देते हैं। आप जिस जगह पे खोलना चाह रहे हो वहाँ पे अगर कोई कहता है भाई मुझे तो पराठा खाना है, आप उसको पिज्जा थोड़ी खिला दोगे।
With over 100 stores in India, Zoka is clocking a business of
We close around 24 CR.
opening 5 stores a month. They are planning to reach 500 outlets by 2025.
Restaurants are bound to grow, like education industry. कॉलेज जितने भी खुल जाएं, लोग जाएंगे पढ़ने.
We are here at one of their outlets to meet the founders, break down their business, and understand what is the whole idea behind this franchise frenzy.
This has to be something very big, something as big as McDonald's or Subway.
I'm in this industry from last 26 years now, running and expanding beautiful cafes like this all over India.
I'm an engineer by education. My family business is in hospitality. We own resorts, we own multiple hotels across India.
How did you got the flame of courage to, quit a job and start something?
Yeah, we are serial entrepreneurs. Yeah, I also started from a service background. He also came from a similar background. He is the first entrepreneur in his family. To our key motive that we have to create something from India, for India and for the world. This has to be something very big, something as big as McDonald's or Subway.
If you seed any thought in your mind, you can make it a success. So that's how the Zoka was born.
So is the startup bootstrapped or
It's a bootstrap, buddy. Of course, 2024, our expansions are there where we're looking for funds and we're moving a step further on that.
What would be like the industry average to probably turning even in a hospitality business versus someone being with you all?
So once I met a father for one of our franchisee investors, he said like, अगर सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ तो we told them so the market is charging 80 lakhs, we are just able to reduce the cost to 45 or 50 lakhs, so the remaining 30 lakhs you just put it in a FD, so after 5 years you are again able to get 60-65 lakhs back, and what you are risking is something you are already saved on day one.
So what are your strategies that you could bring down the cost so much?
So what we achieved is by manufacturing each and everything which is required inside a cafe by our own, we cut out the middlemen.
So how many franchisees do you own?
100 plus stores that we have. A lot of them are franchisee owned. Few of them are company owned and joint ventures.
So they are Focos, they are Cocos and Fofo. Fofo is franchisee owned, franchisee operated. Then they are franchisee owned and company operated, and they are company owned, company operated model. So all three are running.
There's a model for Zoka Cafe, very much into continental and American food. Zoka Dungeon, where we have added a little bit of North Indian food. Zoka Fair, where we are actually adding terrace and lounge kind of one. Then Zoka Dine and Bar is one of the models. Whenever there's a bar added, the sales rapidly jump. We are doing 30-40 lakhs a month. Those stores opened with an investment of 80 to 90 lakhs. In just 2 to 3 months, we are able to do the top line of the investment.
We company do a turnkey solutions for any investing partners, starting from scouting the location, finding the right rental value for that, negotiating, getting it constructed, post-construction, getting into the operations, marketing, everything comes from us. We have a team which studies the market before we open the store. We evaluate the data, what exactly is a void in that market and how can we fulfill that particular area with that. So we are not bounding our partners or ourselves also कि नहीं बॉस मेरा तो ये मेन्यू है तो आपको ये फॉलो करना पड़ेगा। अरे भाई क्यों? आप जिस जगह पे खोलना चाह रहे हो वहाँ पे अगर कोई कहता है भाई मुझे तो पराठा खाना है, आप उसको पिज्जा थोड़ी खिला दोगे।
And food is one of the industries कि जो online आने के बाद बढ़ी है. With online, we are also able to add hybrid kitchen model. So a single kitchen, we are utilizing all the assets, all the resources to actually serve 3 to 4 brands. Restaurant अपना revenue generate कर रहा है, cloud kitchen 3 से 4 brands चला के अपनी sales generate कर रहे हैं, and eventually ये सारा कुछ एक franchisee के पास land कर रहा है, and eventually we are also getting benefited as a company.
If you are selling an item for 100 rupees, तो उसमें क्या unit economics रहेगी हमारी?
बेवरेजेस के अंदर 10 to 15% रहता है। फूड आप कॉन्टिनेंटल चाइनीज में चले जाते हो वो अराउंड 22 to 27% पड़ता है। इंडियन की तरफ अगर आप रहते हो तो 27 to 32% पड़ता है।
So sir, whom do you consider your competition?
There are a lot of players in the market in a similar line of products. Cafe Daily Heights, Sandoz, Big Chill. I think people relate us to Big Chill.
सर तो बिग चिल को कंपटीशन मानते हैं या फिर सबवे डोमिनोज?
सबवे डोमिनोज इज अ QSR यार। क्विक सर्विस रेस्टोरेंट के साथ हम कंपटीशन नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि वो एक अलग थीम में चल रहे हैं। हमारा तो एक डाइनिंग एक्सपीरियंस है।
सर तो किचन का R&D कैसे जाता है? हाउ कैन यू ऑप्टिमाइज द किचन मोर?
भाई मुझे तो ये पढ़ाया गया था कि 1500 स्क्वायर फीट रेस्टोरेंट खोलोगे तो 550 स्क्वायर फीट किचन बनाओ। इमेजिन इफ आई एम प्लेइंग अ रेंटल ऑफ 3 लाख रुपीस, 500-600 स्क्वायर फीट प्लस स्टोर ये करके मेरा किचन ही निकल जाएगा। हाउ विल आई मेक मनी फ्रॉम द अदर एरिया? सो वी हैव टू कस्टमाइज थिंग्स। सो दैट्स हाउ द ऑप्टिमाइजेशन कम्स इन। ये रेस्टोरेंट में जिसमें में आप बैठे हुए हो, ये 1500-1300 स्क्वायर फीट रेस्टोरेंट है जिसकी एवरेज सेल मेरे ख्याल से 30-1 लाख रुपए से ऊपर की होती है मंथली. एंड इफ आई शो यू द साइज ऑफ द किचन, देन यू गेट द आंसर्स.
So if I explain the kitchen dynamics to you, so here the setup has been such, even in smaller place. You can see the pizza prep area, but at the same time it acts as a working area. Then we have the tandoor section, which is aligned with the other space where the marination work can be done, which is then aligned with the fryers. Then we have uplifted the oven on the wall hanging so that we can ensure that the oven is incorporated, but it is not any sort of hindrance to task perform or any intrusion. And we do work on the customization. As you can see, this is a tandoor, but it is not a coal-based tandoor. It's a convection-based tandoor, so it works like an oven. So what we do is that we train our staff to work on these things, and at the same time to ensure that despite of the challenges and hurdles, let's say in case we have to give roti, naan, or the Indian main course here, so that's not a challenge because then we have a strategy and the equipment's customized as per it.
Sir, how much staff do you have? Overall भी कितना है और एक पर आउटलेट आपका कितना होता है?
देखो 6 से 7 लोग रेस्टोरेंट के किचन के अंदर इन्वॉल्व रहता है, अलग अलग सेगमेंट्स ऑफ रूल्स के अंदर. फ्रंट के अंदर 5 से 6 लोग रहते हैं, 1-2 मैनेजर्स के हिसाब से आप देखोगे तो एक एवरेज 12 से 15 लोग चाहिए होते हैं एक रेस्टोरेंट को चलाने के लिए. और यही नंबर एवरेज घूमता रहता है. अगर 130 स्टोर है तो इनडायरेक्टली डायरेक्टली यू कैन से फ्रेटर्निटी फूड्स के अम्ब्रेला में 1500 से लोग ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं.
सर प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज क्या रहता है हमारा?
20-25% मार्जिन व्हिच वी लुकिंग
of
एट
net sales.
नेट
ऑफ नेट सेल्स. यस,
70-75% एक्सपेंसेस है, उसको ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे क्या?
food cost is there which is 30-35%, then your fixed costs come and then the variable cost जैसे electricity bills हो गया, ठीक है,
Salaries हो गई.
सैलरीज हो गई, ये सब चीजें आ जाती है. फिक्स रेंटल्स के अंदर आपका एक रेंटल आ गया. तो ये 3 एलिमेंट्स हैं. तीनों एलिमेंट्स को कंट्रोल करके चलोगे आपको मार्जिन आ जाएगा. बट खाने का काम है भैया, टाइम लगता है. बट ओवरऑल करोगे तो आपको 20-25%, अगर आप एक ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से एक रेस्टोरेंट चला रहे हो, एक राइट मार्केट को टच कर पा रहे हो, आपको 20% तो खड़ा है भैया.
आपकी कितनी रॉयल्टी रहती है सर इसमें?
मात्र 4%.
And what is the industry standard for royalties?
I think 8%.
8 or 12% brand like
12 also.
सर तो रॉयल्टीज ऑन द प्रॉफिट और ऑन द रेवेन्यू?
So it's post the expenses, then you get the royalties.
सर आपके इतने सारे आउटलेट्स हैं तो आप आपकी सप्लाई चेन कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं वहाँ पे?
हमारा खुद के वेयर हाउसेज हैं. सिंस हम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में आ गए दोस्तों, हर चीज़ बड़ी कर ली, अपने लॉजिस्टिक्स भी हैं, तो हर चीज़ बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से करेंगे तभी पॉसिबल था, नहीं तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. 130 स्टोर, नहीं तो हमारे बच्चे कुछ बाल भी जाएंगे. So we have to do that way. Since we're talking about our team, support team and all that, we can show you to our office also.
Sure.
Definitely.
It's all about the branding, which is very critical for us. You'll be surprised to hear that the chairs which we make, they have a tag which clearly states it's a product of Fraternity Foods. And we keep on developing these articles for our restaurants. We don't buy anything from the shops. We have our own manufacturing for all these products as well. We sell all of them. See, we have a portal which works for all our restaurants here. Anybody looking to buy extra crockery, glassware, or they want to customize a crockery cutlery for Zoka, we have in-house team which works for us for all these things as well. If you go to a market, a plate like that will cost you $1,200. For a restaurant owner, if he needs to buy hundreds of these plates, he'll shell out of good money. I'm just bringing it down to only 20% of that cost. ये एक ही तरीके से possible है if we are into our own manufacturing of each and everything which we use here. This is an important chart you can cover up. This shows exactly the growth of the company and the restaurants which we have. A lot of these names, if you look at on the board, you'll find a Zoka over there.
How does the R&D looks like for you guys?
I'm an ex-hotelier. I work for Taj. I work for Moria. I work for London Marriott. So I have a very strong connect with the hospitality people over there, and my network had that advantage. So there are a lot of culinary chefs, consultants, mixologists. They're all part of the company who help us and work on the various aspects of research and development of our product. What kind of product should we launch? What kind of plating should be there? What sort of menu designing we need to have?
आप रॉ मटेरियल का वेस्टेज कैसे मिनिमाइज करते हैं आपकी इंडस्ट्री में?
We need to have a process for all those things. We have reports and every store has to fill those reports on a daily basis. आपको एक रेस्टोरेंट की परफॉर्मेंस के अलावा उसकी क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस भी रिफ्लेक्ट करता है फूड वेस्टेज. सो आपको ये भी क्लैरिटी मिलती है भाई लोग खाना क्यों नहीं खा रहे भाई, राइट? सो दैट इज आल्सो देयर.
सर तो आर वी यूजिंग AI somewhere in this organization?
Yes, we are very strong with AI. I just shared with you. Technology comes in terms of managing the complaints, which is a pure automation now. You have to choose through the options which start coming on your page when you are raising an issue. That really helps us in saving our time. Imagine लेकिन हमारे 130 स्टोर हैं, अगर कहीं ना कहीं कंप्लेंट्स आ रही हैं, टेक्स टाइम राइट, तो हमने ऑटोमेशन पे लेके गए है, यूज किया है, उसके अंदर आपकी कोई कंप्लेंट तक एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट तक आने के लिए आपको ऑप्शंस मिल जाता है. दैट सेव्स योर टाइम एंड आवर टाइम एज वेल एंड विल गिव यू अ रेबिलिटी फास्टर.
So, sir, for a young entrepreneur, what's the opportunity like in this industry?
वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया. आप रेस्टोरेंट खोलो, कैफे खोलो, छोटा सा फूड जॉइंट भी खोलोगे, आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा खाने में. तो यंगस्टर्स हु इज लुकिंग टू वेंचर दिस पर्टिकुलर लाइन, दे हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ग्रो इन दिस.
तो आप एक थोड़ा सा डिटेल रोड मैप बता सकते हैं, जैसे अगर मुझे आज स्टार्ट करना है तो एक साल डाउन द लाइन में कहाँ होऊंगा और मुझे क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा उसके.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ समबडी वांट्स टू गो इनटू दैट लाइन, आपको लोकेशन देखनी पड़ेगी. जो लोकेशन सुपर्ब होनी चाहिए, उसकी लॉजिस्टिक्स से लेके उसके रेंटल्स को नेगोशिएट करने के स्किल्स अच्छे रखने होंगे, ताकि जो इनिशियल मेहनत है आपकी स्ट्रांग हो जाए. उसके बाद आपकी प्लानिंग स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए कि किस तरह रेस्टोरेंट होगा, क्या कॉन्सेप्ट में होगा, क्या फूड होगा, क्या आसपास की लोकेलिटी में रिक्वायर्ड है. कुछ एक चेकलिस्ट होती है जिसमें अराउंड 20-25 क्वेश्चनर है. यू कैन ऑलवेज गो थ्रू दैट क्वेश्चनर, वो सारे फुलफिल कर लो, then you can move into a restaurant business straight away.
Sir, so how much money does Zoka Cafe makes in a day?
50 lakhs, 55 lakhs.
That's huge.
That's per day.
Yeah, that's per day.
And sir, can you tell me how much revenue you guys made in FY23?
If we talk about the sales, we closed around 24 CR.
And all of that is up even after starting in just
These are
2020.
gross revenues for the restaurants, yes.
And how much are you guys planning to
Oh,
grow?
doubling it up. So we had 130, we're looking at 200 stores by end of this year. So we're gonna keep increasing the revenue part.